Hello, my wonderful subscriber. My name is Engineer Matthew Efeomorege. I'm a civil engineer and a building contractor. And today I will be giving an advice. Do not mold your block. Do not mold block when you are not the one supervising it yourself. If you are not the direct person supervising your building project, do not mold block. Now, I know your next question is why? Now, there are a lot of reasons why buildings collapse. There are a lot of reasons. And one of those reasons is when you use blocks that are not strong. Now, one bag of cement, in case you don't know, one bag of cement should mold 35 blocks. 35 blocks, that is what one bag of cement should mold. Now, if you are not there and you just send money for them to help you to mold block your building project, do you know what most people do? Now, instead of molding 35 blocks for one bag of cement, some will end up molding 45 blocks, 50 blocks. Now, you will not compare the quality of what was molded with 35 blocks and what was molded with 50 blocks. The quality cannot be quantified. So, my best advice to my clients or to people, or I can't even be your client if you are molding one or using one bag of cement to mold 50 blocks or 45 blocks. Now, what I advise people is that I would prefer that you buy the blocks, because the block industry where you bought that block from, they will not want to compromise their standard, knowing fully well that if anything goes wrong in that house and it's detected that the blocks were not up to quality, were not good enough, their block industry name will be at stake. So if you are a builder, you want to build, I will advise that you don't mold your block if you are not the one supervising it yourself. You understand? Go to block industry, buy. But if you are the one supervising it, or you have a trusted relative that will help you to do checks and balances, ensure that one bag of cement is what is used to mold 35 blocks. 35 blocks maximum. That will be all right. This is my building advice to you this day. My name still remains Engineer Matthew from Orege. For more building advice, subscribe to this YouTube channel and share this very video. And in case you need my services, you want to build your house, you can contact me. We deliver building projects as soon as possible: 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, flat, duplex, wherever they are in this nation: Abuja, Lagos, Port Harcourt, Benin, and Delta, whether in the east, whether in the north. We deliver as soon as possible. And don't forget, the best way or the best form to start building is to first get a land. Ensure that that land is verified and it has a documented paper. Thank you.